In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Drive in offline mode. If you travel, have spotty internet, or just want the peace of mind that your files are available anytime, this setup will let you create, open, and edit your recent Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides without a connection. We'll do everything right inside your browser, and I'll point out a few gotchas so you know exactly what to expect as you turn it on. Start by opening Gmail and signing into the Google account you use for Drive. Beginning in Gmail is an easy way to make sure you're in the correct account before changing settings. Once Gmail loads, look toward the top right of the page. You'll see the Google Apps Launcher, so it's the small 3x3 grid of dots. Click that grid to open the menu of Google services that are tied to your login. In the Apps menu, choose Drive. This opens Google Drive for the same account, so anything you change here will apply to your files. When Drive loads, focus again on the upper right corner. You're looking for the gear-shaped settings icon. It can be easy to miss, especially if you have a lot of items on screen, but it's always along the top bar near your profile picture. Click the gear, then select Settings from the drop-down. This opens a panel with general preferences for your Drive experience. In the list on the main tab, scroll until you find the section labeled Offline. This area controls whether your browser keeps local copies of your recent Google files on this device so you can work when you're not connected. Enable the option that says Create, Open, and Edit your recent Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides files on this device while offline. The browser may take a moment to prepare offline access and start downloading recent files in the background. Keep your internet connection on during this initial setup and leave the tab open until it finishes. After that, you can open and edit those files offline, and your changes will sync automatically the next time the device reconnects. A couple of tips before we wrap up. Offline mode is specific to the device and browser you're using, so repeat these same steps on any computer where you want access. It only applies to Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. Other file types will sync changes when you're back online. Make sure you have a bit of free storage on the device for the cached files, and avoid turning this on for shared or public computers to keep your content private.